Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Share ko po itong DepEd Memorandum number 99 series of 2025. Ito po ay commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of General Gregorio H. del Pilar. Isa po ito sa ating mga iniidolo na bayani ng ating bansa. So nakalagay dito na pursuant to Presidential Proclamation number 117 series of 2001 titled declaring November 14, 2001 and every year thereafter as a special working holiday in the province of Bulacan, and in line with the government's continuing thrust to instill patriotism and nationalism among the youth, the Department of Education DepEd joins the nation in commemorating the 150th birth anniversary of General Gregorio H. del Pilar on November 14, 2025. Ito, si Gregorio del Pilar, short lang sa kanya. Siya po ay kinikilala bilang Boy General of the Philippine Revolution. At siya ay remembered for his heroism, valor, and ultimate sacrifice during the Battle of Terad Pass. His life continues to serve as an inspiration to the Filipino people, especially learners, to uphold love of country, courage, and selfless service. Oo nga naman, huwag po nating mahalin yung ibang bansa, yung iba dyan. Minamahal pa yung China, naku naman. Number 3, the commemoration of his 150th birth anniversary aims to achieve the following objectives. A. Honor and recognize his heroism and sacrifices in the fight for Philippine independence. B. Instill in learners a deep sense of nationalism, patriotism, and pride in the nation's history. C. Provide meaningful learning experiences that integrate the values of courage, leadership, and selfless service that he exemplified. And D. Strengthen appreciation of Filipino heroes as role models in fostering responsible citizenship. Ito pang-apat, in support of the commemoration of Gregorio del Pilar, all public and private schools are encouraged to undertake appropriate and meaningful activities such as the following. A. Flag raising ceremonies highlighting his heroism and patriotism. B. Classroom discussion on his life and contributions integrated into history, Araling Panlipunan, Filipino, and other related learning areas. Yan, tayo po ay mag-integrate sa ating lessons tungkol sa buhay ni General Gregorio H. del Pilar. Pwede rin itong letter C, poster making, essay writing, poem composition, or short play presentations that reflect the values he exemplified. Ito, letter D. Other initiatives that will deepen learners' appreciation of his legacy and nation's history and heroes. Public and private schools are encouraged to integrate these activities with in-class discussions or schedule them appropriately to ensure learning continuity. This activity shall be conducted in the manner that does not disrupt regular classes and shall strictly adhere to DepEd Order number 9 series of 2005 titled Instituting Measures to Increase Engaged Time on Task and Ensuring Compliance therewith. Regional offices and schools division offices may coordinate with the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, local government units, and other relevant agencies to conduct community-based commemorative activities. Ito mga teacher, makinig tayo. Teachers who will attend activities scheduled on weekends, Saturdays, and or Sundays or holiday shall be granted 1 day of service credit for its weekend or holiday that the activity falls on, in accordance with DepEd Order Number 13 Series of 2024 titled Revised Guidelines on the Grant of Vacation Service Credits for Teachers. Expenses incurred during the conduct of commemoration shall be charged to local funds, ROs, and SDOs maintenance and other operating expenses such as MOOA and other available sources subject to the usual government accounting and auditing rules and regulations. Ito, para sa further information, contact the External Partnership Service of DepEd. Okay, sign na po ito ni... hindi ko na po ipakita yung signature, Okay lang naman pala. Sign po ni Attorney Fatima Lip D. Panuntungan, yung ating USEC at saka Chief of Staff ng DepEd. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang, Mabuhay ka, General Gregorio H. Del Pilar. Mga ka-Gisnabs, bye-bye. Thank you for having me.